Well, one thing to note about the CLAT examination is that it's an aptitude paper, which is very different from the kind of examinations you have in schools or your IIT entrances.
What I did, I can tell you that I was very disciplined with my study hours. Though I studied only for 2 to 3 hours a day, I studied every day. I did not miss a single day because of a shadi or something like that.
Well, first, to give you some general tips, something that I did that might not work for everyone, but it will definitely work for few people, is finding a study partner. This also really helps when it comes to motivation, because while I was reaching Jan and Feb, I was feeling pretty demotivated. That drive to study was going. So what I did was I got together with a friend who was also writing CLAT. We would meet every day. We would solve math and logic together. Also, we would analyze mocks together. So finding a study partner is definitely one helpful aspect. If possible, I would advise you all to find a mentor, someone you know who's already in law school, because they will not only help with preparation strategies and tips, but they will also keep you motivated. They'll give you that drive to study by reminding you that there's a law school waiting for you.
You know, you should stay happy. That's the fact. You should not say that I'm not going to play football because, you know, I have to give CLAT. You should try to stay happy as long as possible, and that will keep you relaxed.
Definitely, the test series was extremely helpful, not only because of the quality of questions, but several things. For example, the platform was very helpful, the quality of questions was helpful, and the key to any mock is the analysis. So the way the analysis was presented also was very helpful, and something that CLAT Possible has is something known as the right to query, which gives you a platform to clarify your doubts online. So that was as a whole, it was a very comprehensive mock test. So it helped in all aspects.
The material provided at CP is very good. They research their material well, and they will cover the whole topic in one sheet. That's the best thing about CP material. They will not be verbose about it. The English faculties at CP is very good. Abhilasha ma'am and Surbhi ma'am, they are pretty good at what they do. You should follow what your teachers say, and you should read the material provided. Do not skip it. Do not say that I'm going to do that book and not this material. This material that you have is sufficient enough to get you through class.